So you're saying you think BYD can compete in all those markets you just mentioned?
Yeah, for sure. Because the Chinese market is the most competitive market. If you are the winner in the most competitive market, why not? You cannot win in other market.
I mean, look, BYD is in this two-horse race with Tesla in China. But I don't view that this really diminishes what Tesla has done. I mean, I think this was, and we'll see in the next few weeks, this was a record quarter for Tesla.
Imagine a world in which the two biggest players in the electric vehicle industry collaborate. It sounds like something out of science fiction. But hold on to your seats because this unlikely scenario may be closer than you think. For years, the two giants have been fighting it out for supremacy in the market for EVs, but signs of a potential shift have begun to appear. In 2022, Tesla started incorporating BYD's batteries into some of its Model Y cars, which are made in Germany. This move was unexpected given their history as fierce rivals. This initial collaboration suggests that both parties may be realizing the benefits of working together. But how would this collaboration benefit both parties? Let's explore these options. But first, be sure to address those that include and the subscribe buttons. So let's get going. In an interview, a representative for BYD stated that they were hesitant to join the U.S. market due to its complexity. They emphasized the ambiguity around regulations pertaining to infrastructure pricing and user preferences. The spokesman emphasized that despite the difficulties, the importance of an open market and fair competition, core values of the U.S. market, was emphasized. They also noted the limitations and complexity within U.S. policies which hinder manufacturers from fully embracing EV technology. In China, the government is clearly pushing for electric vehicles, so businesses must invest or risk falling behind. American automakers are paying attention. Executives from Stellantis and Ford have voiced concerns about the competitive threat posed by Chinese cars. While industry titans like Elon Musk, are you on board with the idea that Chinese companies could compete fairly and even dominate the market in the absence of trade barriers? Well, let's look at it from a different angle. For instance, instead of crossing borders to enter the U.S., BYD has invested in manufacturing in Mexico, focusing on the local market. Additionally, let's draw a parallel from automotive history. Remember that when Japanese brands entered the U.S. market decades ago, there were similar fears, but local brands managed to thrive alongside foreign competition. It's possible that worries about Chinese competition in the electric car industry were exaggerated, while Tesla's profit margins are under pressure. The truth is that many investors may be disappointed if Tesla's profitability declines this year. What do you think? Are you still optimistic about Tesla? If so, you should know that there are other people who also own shares in PROT. Tesla optimism for Tesla supporters and those with a keen eye for uncovering the next stock market gem. It goes beyond simply watching from the sidelines when it comes to the company's remarkable progress, according to our friends at Seeking Alpha. Searching Alpha is your one-stop destination for the most recent information on Tesla. Tesla stock price objectives, innovation from Tesla, and everything Musk Elon. The ideal strategy is to seek Alpha. Online sites for Tesla news avoid the mainstream media's negative coverage of the company and focus only on the facts. Visit the description link to take advantage of a great discount. But what if Tesla modifies its strategy to increase the price of its stock? Imagine the possibilities if they choose to collaborate with their main competitor to create a groundbreaking alliance in the EV and auto industry. Beyond just batteries, a strategic partnership between Tesla and BYD could pave the way for developments in battery technology, autonomous driving, and other vital areas of EV development. Together, they could reduce production costs, making EVs more affordable for a wider audience. This united front could solidify Tesla's dominance in the EV market and expedite the transition away from gas-powered vehicles. But let's get down to business. How would this collaboration affect Tesla's valuation? And however, a well-structured partnership could be a game-changer for the EV industry, benefiting both Tesla and BYD while accelerating the global transition towards sustainable transportation. Who knows, it might even result in a happy ending for Tesla's stock price. Additionally, the collaboration could lead to increased market share and faster growth, solidifying Tesla's position as a leader in the EV revolution and potentially resulting in a higher valuation. In other news, the leading electric vehicle manufacturer, BYD, has just debuted the U9, an ultra-luxury sports car, under the Yangwang brand in China. It has cost a hefty $233,000. This most recent product highlights BYD's strategy to compete at every price point, which helped it overtake Tesla as the largest EV manufacturer last year. I had the chance to speak with Stella Li, the Executive Vice President and CEO of BYD America, about the company's evolution and its goals in markets outside of China. According to Li, BYD observes comparable patterns of EV adoption in nations like Brazil, Thailand, and Israel, which mirrors China's trajectory over the past 10 years. Li expressed confidence in BYD's capacity to compete in these markets, highlighting the company's success in China's extremely competitive market as a signpost for international expansion. She also emphasized BYD's innovation focus, which positions the company as a technology leader in addition to providing chic and contemporary designs. In order to service the Mexican market, Li disclosed plans to build manufacturing facilities in Hungary, Thailand, and Brazil. BYD intends to announce plans to build a facility in the south or central region of Mexico in the second part of this year. Meanwhile, other investors see a chance to fund the company's larger technological projects despite the recent drop in Tesla's shares. Beyond EVs, particularly considering the pricing now in comparison to a few years ago, not all analysts are as upbeat though. Mark Cotton, an investment director at Jam Investments, thinks that a number of issues, such as price reductions and probable declines in demand, will prevent Tesla stock from ever reaching $300. Tesla's exceptional profit margins, which attest to its operational efficiency, set it apart from its automotive contemporaries. In 2022, the business generated $81.5 billion in total revenue, with an outstanding operating income of $13.7 billion, equivalent to a strong margin of 16.8%. This is in sharp contrast to its U.S. peers, who usually work with single-digit margins, such as Ford and General Motors. Tesla's profitability stems from a number of aspects. Firstly, its well-known brand eliminates the need for large-scale advertising costs. Additionally, effective management has increased battery production capacity, improved manufacturing processes through vertical integration, and avoided dealership networks by selling directly to customers. These tactics boost profitability and increase margins. Additionally, Tesla is at the forefront of AI-powered self-driving software and is well-positioned to enter the autonomous robot taxi industry by 2024. Early estimates from ARK Invest indicate that self-driving cars could open up a $14 trillion market by 2027, which would further fuel Tesla's growth. Additionally, demand for Tesla's residential solar and battery storage solutions has increased, with deployments of battery storage capacity rising by 360% year-over-year in Q1 of this year. Tesla. Despite differing perspectives on the Cybertruck's design, it may diversify its products by introducing the Optimus humanoid robot by 2027, catering to low-skill work areas like manufacturing. Ask the brands like Ferrari. The 09 has remarkable specifications and can go up to 19 miles per hour. Nevertheless, it will only be available in limited quantities in China. Initially, the 9's all-electric drivetrain distinguishes it from its gas-powered competitors like Ferrari and McLaren, and although some draw parallels between the 09 and conventional luxury sports cars, it's evident that they serve distinct markets. Conversely, Tesla maintains its growth trajectory despite recent price concerns. Margin reductions. The company's intention to reduce prices for its upcoming generation of vehicles by 50% represents a dedication to sustaining profitability and guaranteeing accessibility to a larger customer base, even in the face of swings in the price of Tesla's stock. Recognizing its continued recovery and the possibility of further advances is crucial, even though some commentators voice concerns on Tesla's margin. That concludes this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. The company's pursuit of a mass market approach may prove to be more profitable in the long run, so maintaining optimism about Tesla's trajectory could yield significant returns for investors. The potential benefits of a Tesla-BYD partnership are also intriguing. This is news on Tesla stock. We hope to see you in our upcoming films.